Good evening students. Today we will start with the center of mass. We will see what do you mean by center of mass. Now suppose there is a body like this of any shape we will take. Suppose this is a body. Let me draw it properly. And this body is having a weight of 5 kg. Okay. Now where is this weight situated? When we say that the weight of a body is 5 kg, where is the weight? Is it here, is it here, is it here, or is it here? There are so many n particles. One big body can be divided into many small particles. So where exactly is the weight? Now we assume that the weight of any body is situated somewhere near the geometric center. I'll tell you what do you mean by geometric center. Abhi khali itna remember that it is in the center. Okay, so the mass of the body is somewhere in the center of the body. So this is, you can say, the center of mass. Okay, so what we saw, that any body, if it is having a weight of 5 kg or anything, the entire weight of that body is somewhere in the center of the body. Now I use the term geometric center. Now what do we mean by geometric center? Now example, if I take a circle, then circle center is the center of gravity. If I take a triangle, then the centroid of the triangle. Now what do you mean by centroid of the triangle? Centroid of the triangle means the point of intersection of all the three medians denoted by G. So this is your centroid. And this is also your center of mass. So same way for different geometric figures, we have got different center of mass. For example, for a rectangle, the intersection point of the diagonals. Suppose this is a rectangle and this is one diagonal, this is the other diagonal. Now this intersection of the diagonal is known as the center of mass. Okay, so this is the meaning of center of mass. Now we will see, as per your textbook, it is written that the center of mass of an object is the point inside or outside the object at which the total mass of the object can be assumed to be concentrated. Okay, but actually it is not in the center, we are assuming it because it is distributed everywhere. And the center of the mass of a spherical object having uniform density is at its geometrical center. Suppose you are having a spherical object, a sphere. You know what is a sphere? Like a ball is a sphere. And if it is having uniform density means it is not thick at one place and thin at the other place. It is, the thickness overall is going to be the same. So we say that the density is uniform. Then whatever is the center of that sphere, that is going to be the center of mass. So the center of mass of any object having uniform density is at its centroid. Now this center of mass, it is written it can be inside or outside. What do you mean by this? Now here we have seen that it is all inside. Now when I say outside, now you must remember when you were drawing the medians of obtuse angle triangle, during that time the centroid was somewhere outside the triangle. Okay, the medians may meet somewhere outside the triangle also. In that case, suppose this is the centroid, then your center of mass is outside the body. So the center of mass can be either within the body or outside the body. That's it with the center of mass.